bro, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Vermal product reviews and also techs and gadgets reviews. And today I'm gonna unboxing and review this new product that I have buy in an online shop here in Philippines. It's called Lazada, and this is a new gadget accessories, for good for EDC and also good for backpacking, bike packing on or camping. So this is um this is good. So and then let's check it out, guys. So let's gonna tear it up. Okay, and then let's open. And so here it is, guys. This is new that I buy, and I forgot what is this. So let's check it out. And I just slowly to peel it off, because it's gonna cut right through the item inside. This is good, this is nice, and I ordered this because I needed this also in my EDC gear, especially for bike packing and also for camping. Okay, I'm struggling to open this up, and then here it goes. So this is the okay, here it is, guys. So this is the this is called the EDC bracelet. Other words is also there's a paracord. This is a paracord. This is the paracord which you can use it for cooking, and also there's a compass on it, and then there's a mini knife on it. So let's try to open it up, guys. So this is great, and this is great, and this is for your, so there's for, and then you can put that in here like that. Yes, and put that in your wrist. So how to open this up? So I don't know how to open this up. Okay, this one. Okay, you open this in, and just gonna take this little sleeve over there, and there's the knife on it. There's the knife, and there's also right there, and then there is a, I think this one, this is a fire starter. There is also a fire starter on it. Let's try to, so that this is a fire starter, so I don't know how to open this up. Okay, there we go. So this is a fire starter, and you can use this in your knife. I think use this in knife, and then that one like that, so that you can start a fire on it. So this is great, this is good, and very quality product. EDC survival kit. This is good for bike, this is good also, this is good for camping and bike packing if you want to have some bushcraft on it. So, and also there is a compass. Love the style of it. There's a compass, and you can use it by daily. So let's try to open this up, and then, and let's be careful for the knife, so that it will not cut right through my, so that it will not cut through my wrist. Okay, there it is, guys. So it's so big in my It's so big in my wrist, and yes, it's so big, so big, and you can see the compass is moving. Very nice quality, guys, love it, and it's so big in my wrist. uh, I think it can, okay, yes, it is great. I think it's okay, this is okay for like this one. I love it. So nice and good. So just my wrist is too short for this big big EDC bracelet. Love the style of it, love the color, and overall nice quality. Good job. And okay, very good, and this is good for EDC survival bracelet. Good for bike packing, backpacking, and also good for camping. So that is the unboxing and also the quick review of this. So I'm gonna make a full review of this in the next episode, or in the next episode of my videos here in my channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is the Vermel Techs and Gadgets Vermel product reviews.